CrashPlan allows you to remotely change your backup settings from a web browser. When your device is online and connected, the new settings will be pushed to it from the cloud. This means you don't need to physically be at your CrashPlan device to change these settings. First, visit the following link to access CeeJay's web console with CrashPlan. You will need your username and password to sign into your account. You should first see your user profile and main dashboard. Here you can get a quick overview of your total storage and backup status for each device. Clicking the cog button and then edit will give you the option to change your username and password if necessary. If you need to come back to your user profile, simply click Account at the top right, then click My Profile. On the left dashboard, you can click to show your active and deactivated devices, as well as any backup alerts. Plus, there is a link to the CrashPlan installers provided for you named App Downloads. This is in case you want to back up to another device or reinstall CrashPlan. Now, if you click your active devices, you can choose which device you want to edit CrashPlan settings for. You will first be able to see the current settings and the ability to restore a limited amount of files on the web from the device's backup archive if necessary. To actually change the settings, click the cog button and then click Edit. You will be able to change all the settings that would normally be available on the client here, including the file selection and exclusions. The cog button also allows you to deactivate the device completely, or simply block it from signing in. Plus, there are additional commands you can push out to your device's backup console. If you click Deauthorize, CrashPlan will sign out on the device itself. And that's it. This console should give you complete control of your backup from a remote location. We recommend you check out our other videos for more help guides on the software, in case you need to perform a restore if you ever need your data back, and how to tweak your backup archive and keep it secure. If you ever get stuck, you can visit help.ceejay.com, where you can search for answers to frequently asked questions, or contact us directly by placing a ticket with us or giving us a call. Thanks for watching.